Hi, boys and girls. It's Mr. Sanito, and we've got a math lesson for today, but you don't need your math book yet because I'm going to show you a practice problem. In this problem, what you're going to see is a word problem or a number story. We're going to read the problem, and I'm going to show you how we can solve it, and then you're going to do some on your own. So let's look at this problem I've got. I'll read it for you. It says, Kelly gets 6 new toy cars. He already has 18 toy cars. How many does he have now? Now, there's a few things you should remember. Number one, when you read your problem, it helps to look for the important numbers. Do you see any important numbers here? Sure. We've got 6 and 18. Now, another tip I would give you is sometimes it's helpful to reread the problem or read it again. So I'll read it again now that we know what the important numbers are. It says, Kelly gets 6 new toy cars. Can you imagine 6? He's got 6 toy cars. And he already has 18. So if you think about this, he's got 18 at home. He gets 6 new ones. How many does he have now? We're going to put this information in a number sentence, then we're going to solve. And I've got a number sentence at the bottom of the screen. Let me move this up so you can see it. It said that he got how many new cars? 6. So I'll put that here. How many did he have? 18. Let's put that right there. Now, are we going to add or subtract? Well, in these problems today, when we are putting 2 groups of things together, that's adding. So we put the addition symbol right there. And of course, the equal sign goes right there. From this point, you do exactly what we've been doing for the last few lessons. We're going to draw our 10s and 1s. So I'll pick a different color. Let's do blue. First, I'll do 6. And I'll do it right underneath it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to draw the 18. Here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, you could just count them all up, but remember, one of the things that we've been working on as we get ready for 2nd grade is to make a 10. So I will take a different color. I wonder if this will work. Yellow. And let's see. I hope you can see that. Let me pick orange. I know you can see orange. There we go. So let's make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I count that one as 6. I'm going to go 7, 8, 9, 10. So I carefully put them in a group. After you put them in the group, you trade, just like we've done before. So cross out those 10 and draw a new group of 10. Then the last part, count them again. I'll start by counting the 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll put that in the answer. But you have to count the 10s. And there's how many 10s? 2. So 6 plus 18 is going to equal 24. And so we can answer the question when it says how many cars, it wants to know how many cars he has now. He has 24 cars. Now that I've done the example problem, you can get your math book and a pencil, pause the video after you find page 480, and I'll be right here. Okay, now that you've got your math book and your pencil, and you're on page 480, you're going to try to do a few of these word problems or number stories. But I'll give you a little bit of help. So problem number 1, I'm going to start by reading it for you. It says right here, Aisha picks 60 blueberries to make a pie. And here's some blueberries. I love blueberries. So she picks 60. Let's keep reading. Then she picks 12 more to eat. How many blueberries does Aisha pick? So, couple hints. I'm going to give you a couple hints on this one. You might want to circle the important numbers. If you want to play the video back, you can to reread this, or you can read it by yourself if you don't need my help. And maybe the last thing you might want to do is write your number sentence. So I'm going to give you just a little bit of help with that. Let's see here. And I'll give you that. That's where the equal sign goes. See if you can solve that problem. Now, you can pause the video, or you can keep watching, but I'm going to read the rest of these problems over here. Problem on the same page says this. Yuri collects 21 cans for the school food drive. So he's got 21 cans. Leo collects 36 cans. How many cans do Yuri and Leo collect? Again, circle the important numbers, make your number sentence, and then add. Don't forget to make your tens. You're going to do the next page as well, because that was really only 2 problems. So you're going to do page 481. Don't worry, I'll read these for you. Here we go. This problem says, Tyra sees 48 geese in the field. 48 geese. Oh, that's one goose, but she sees 48. Geese just means a lot of gooses. I don't know if we could say gooses, but geese means more than one goose. There you go. Okay, so she sees 48. Then she sees 17 more geese in the sky. How many geese does Tyra see? Same thing. Circle your important numbers. Think if you're going to add or subtract. Hint, you're probably going to add. Make your number sentence. Draw your tens and ones. Make a 10. Get your answer. Problem 4. Jade paints 35 circles and 45 triangles in art class. How many shapes does Jade paint? Well, you see the shapes. Same thing. Circle your important numbers. Make your number sentence. Draw your tens and ones. You know how to do this. Now the last one here, problem number 5. This one is the Math on the Spot video. So I will send you, or I'll include the link to the Math on the Spot video so you can watch it, but I'll still read it to you. It's a little tricky. It reads, it takes 10 hops to get across the yard. Look at the girl. She is on a pogo stick and she is hopping. So it takes 10 hops to get across the yard. How many hops does it take to get across the yard and back? That's a little tricky. So I'll send you the link to the Math on the Spot video so you can watch that. And that's what you're going to do for today's math lesson. Be sure to take a picture of your pages and send them to me in Class Dojo. Hope you have a great day. Thanks, boys and girls. Bye.